doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Train the tram direct from airport to the hotel. Okay, room tour of room 611 at the Clayton Hotel in Amsterdam. We're right at the end of the corridor on the 6th floor, which is the top floor. Come in here. This is a premier room. I think there's deluxe rooms on top. This is a premier. So you come in, it's all one big space. We've got, it's very dark. That's our main review to start with. We've got a couple of hooks there. We've only just worked out how to get this light on. There's like a funky light out there. There's a Fender radio, which I think you can Bluetooth to. Telephone, desk area. Then you've got a big TV, which has actually got YouTube and Netflix and everything, and you can mirror your phone, etc. Bottle of water, and that's been replaced today. The cups in there. In here, you've got your own fridge. In there, you've got a coffee machine and a kettle. No milk, but there is tea, coffee, and the coffee pods in there. No USBs, but there's some sockets there. Then you've got your basically vanity area in your room. So you've got two sinks, none of that moves. You've just got space underneath there. Two mirrors, which I've noticed, obviously, there's one that's slightly higher than the other. And then over here, you've got another mirror. You've got an area there to put your suitcases. Then you've got your bed. We did sleep in that last night, and it's very comfortable. I was very impressed with the bed. You've got a seat here, little table, and then this is your only wardrobe space. No drawers anywhere. Got a safe in there, ironing board and an iron. That's there. I'll show you the view in a moment. So yeah, it's a good size. It's very clean, just very dark. And then in here is your bathroom, which is quite small, but you've got a big shower there, rainfall shower with an extra button. Towels are small, not great. You've just got two, I'll say big, they're not big, and then a couple in the vanity area inside the room. You've got conditioner and body wash here. I'm just gonna, yeah, no, that is, see, that wasn't working. We asked them and they have fixed that, so that's good. You've got a mirror there, you've got some hand soap there, a little sink and your toilet. And then, so this is, because we're at the end, we're sort of on the corner, so we've got views in two aspects, but none of them are any good. So this one here goes out into some sort of fire escape, which actually is a shame because probably that would be the best view. You can't really see, but you've got the main street out there. So if we were actually without this bit, you probably would have a view. And then over here at the back, this is what they call a courtyard view. I'd say it's the roof and the air conditioning units, but you've got a little bit of the street down there. So the view really isn't the best. And then I think this one's even worse. But it's nice to have the three windows, although it's so dark that in the room. But admittedly, we've only really been here in the daytime this morning. So yeah, room 661, Clayton Hotel
Always
Amsterdam.
walk a little faster, like the city is your cue. I'm half a step behind you, pretending I'm not watching you. Bikes blur past in quiet rhythm, windows catching late sunlight. You say it feels different here somehow. I say maybe finds mine like it's done before. No grand reveal, just something steady at the core. We're turning down the side streets where the water moves slow. Canals holding reflections, only we would know. Turning down the side streets where the water moves slow. Canals holding reflections, only we would know. Bikes were passing quiet rhythm, windows catching late sunlight. You say it feels different here somehow. I say maybe that's us tonight. Your hand finds mine like it's done before. No grand reveal, just something steady at the core. Core. We're turning down the side street